click that little notification bell and click all notifications. And yeah, we have 38 seconds. Yesterday we got the Goldie skin, guys. We got the Goldie skin yesterday. So today I am also expecting a new skin, just because so many skins were leaked. Dude, oh my goodness, Fortnite is literally 100 away. Fortnite is 100 away. Guys, we have 20 seconds left. Shout out to Fortnite gameplay though. He's a beast. Guys, 16 seconds. Who needs a skin? Like the stream, subscribe. Here we go. Guys, here we go. This is it. Fortnite. Oh my goodness. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Yo. Oh. Are you kidding me, dude? No way. Oh my goodness. Major laser bundle. Yo. Hold on. Guys, who needs this? Are you kidding me, dude? It's 25% off major laser. Are you kidding me? Alright, major laser skin. Let's take a look. Dude. His hand is fully gold. Wait. Oh, laser wings? Dude. Are you kidding me? Who needs this bundle right here, guys? It is only 2,500 V-Bucks. Laser axe? Are you... Dude. This has to be... No. Laser blast? Dude, this has to be the best bundle. Let's see. Dude, are you... Whoa, what is this one? Dude, they both sound amazing. Let's see. Oh my... Are you kidding me, dude? This has to be the best bundle. Are you kidding me, dude? The major laser bundle is finally out into Fortnite, dude. Are you kidding me? Special offers. Dude, that is insane, man. I actually really like this, though. Dude, who wants this skin right now? Let me know in the chat. This skin is amazing, guys. This skin is amazing. It is only 2,500 V-Bucks for this. Like all of this stuff over here you get for 2,500 V-Bucks. The major laser skin, which is insane. The major laser wings, the laser wings, guys. The laser axe. This emote. And let's put on our volume so we could actually fully hear the music that comes with it. All right, hear this, guys.